Hi guys, I'm Cassandra and welcome to another video. So a few months back I had done a pattern paper haul and you guys seem to love it a lot. So I have another haul for you. All the supplies in this haul are from Itsy Bitsy craft store. This video is not sponsored or not a collaboration. I have bought everything with my own money, and also you must have seen me use some of these products in my previous videos because I don't shop a lot together. I usually go to the store once a week or once in 2 weeks. So yeah, I have already used some of the products in my videos. So let's start with the decoupage napkins. This cost 40 rupees for one pack and you get one napkin. So yes, one napkin is for 40 rupees. And these are the different designs that I got. If you want to buy these napkins in bulk, I would suggest you to wait for a sale. Usually when the products are on sale, you get offers like buy 10 napkins for 300 rupees. So you can get these napkins for a cheaper price. Next, I have some more napkins. These I got a while back and I don't really know if these prints are available now. I'll mention the prices on the screen if I find it on their website. Next, I have this decoupage rice paper. This pack costs 75 rupees and you get 4 papers in one pack. If you are a beginner at decoupage, you can definitely give this a try because they don't wrinkle up as much as the napkin and they are easy to work with. Next, I have these chalk paints. I have already used this in one of my previous videos. If you haven't watched the video, then I link it in the description box. Do give it a watch. So yeah, it's a bottle of 60 ml and you get it for 150 rupees. Next, I have the gold leaf and the silver gilding flakes. You can do really amazing work with these. I'll definitely use this in future videos, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that. The gold leaf costs 499 rupees and the gilding flakes retails for 399 rupees. And to adhere this, I've got the texture tag. This is a 100 ml bottle and it costs 150 rupees. Next, I have this silicone glue. This costs 100 rupees for this bottle of 30 ml. And this is a strong adhesive. You can use it for sticking magnets or sticking flowers on your projects and so on. Next, I have the stone texture paste. Honestly, I have not used this till now. So I just got a bottle to try it out. And yeah, this retails for 149 rupees. Next, I have the embossing powders. I really don't know why I bought this because to use this, you need to have a heat gun or the embossing tool. And I don't have that. But I still got this. So anyways, this retails for rupees 99. Then I have the crimson hearts. These retail for 70 rupees and these are mostly used for card making, like to make shaker cards and so on. Next up, I have a stencil and a stamp. So the stencil cost rupees 160 and I got the stamp for 30 rupees. As you can see, it was probably on sale, that's why I got it. Next, I picked up this MDF heart. This retails for rupees 59 and I have also picked up MDF coasters. These retail for 29 rupees each. Next, I have picked up these sheets. I think they are called felt sheets. And they retail for 45 rupees each. Next I got this golden glitter paper which is 12 into 12 inches and I paid ₹50 for this. And I also got this gold foil paper. These are A4 size papers and I paid ₹30 for these. Next I have copper metallic wax. I have already used this in a previous video which again I linked in the description box, and this retails for ₹249. Next I have this white gesso. So if you have been watching my channel, you know I use this a lot, so I got 2 bottles of these and this costs ₹175 per bottle. Next I have the 1-step and the 2-step crackle medium. I have already done a video on this as well. So 1-step retails for ₹140 and 2-step retails for ₹299. And lastly I have my decoupage glue and my varnish which I use in almost all the videos. So the decoupage glue costs ₹140 and varnish retails for ₹250. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you have watched up till here, I'm sure you have loved the video. So don't forget to hit the like button, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye.